the worst hit cities when it comes to COVID-19 in India. Mumbai itself has reported more than 11,000 cases. Not just this, the latest that has also come in is that more than 72 inmates at the Arthur Jail Road have tested positive. Niranjan, my colleague, sending us two reports from different parts in Mumbai.
We're reporting from outside the Mahalakshmi Racecourse. Now, to my left here is the Mahalakshmi Racecourse. And right behind me, that big structure that you see, very similar to the report that we sent you yesterday. Yesterday, we sent a report from the Bandra Kurla Complex grounds. Right opposite the Asian Heart Institute, there was a big COVID care center, or a CCC, that we said was being constructed. Now, across Mumbai, the civic body and the government has notified to ensure that in big grounds and in identified large spaces, such temporary setups like the one that you see behind me, that's a COVID care center or a CCC. Now, essentially, what happens in a center like this is that patients who need isolation, who need to be quarantined, are brought here and kept. At BKC, about a 1,000 bed facility is being constructed. Behind me, at the Mahalakshmi parking lot, now that's the Mahalakshmi Racecourse parking lot, we are told that at least a 500 bed facility, now that seems to be the target here, and it is being constructed with keeping in mind the number of cases that are being reported here in Mumbai. As we speak this morning, it's Friday morning, and there are 11,200 cases that have been recorded in Mumbai. Now that number has gone up to nearly 11,400, but we'll wait for an official on-record version on that, 11,200. And the number of cases in Maharashtra is almost touching 18,000. Now the target here in Mumbai is to ensure, and as I just try and walk towards that, the target in Mumbai is to ensure that they raise the number of beds, because hospitals are cramped, hospitals are overcrowded and are packed given the number of cases that are pouring in. Many hospitals out of bounds now because of the number of cases that have also been reported among the staff. So such temporary units like this, the one behind me, that's a COVID care center setup that is being done. The idea is a temporary setup with a roof, with a tent-like roof, and cubicles, 20 by 20 cubicles having a bed, and to have as many and to accommodate as many patients as possible. These are temporary setups to try and maintain at least 500 to 600 patients, to isolate them, to quarantine them. Across the state, the plan is to raise the number of beds from 10,000 to 11,000 to nearly 34,000, to take it all the way up to 34,000 according to the government. Many such COVID care centers will come up in Mumbai, and we'll get you reports from each one of them. This report from outside Mumbai is Arthur Road Jail, the Arthur Road Central Prison, where we are being told that nearly 76 inmates have tested positive, including guards and policemen. Over 100 people have reportedly tested positive at the Arthur Road Jail. As per reports and what the state government has also been saying on record, the source of the infection seems to be either a civic body official or a cook. Now, the exact details are not known, but from the nearby JJ Hospital, we are told that several tests were conducted. Earlier, one inmate had tested positive, and after tests were conducted with hundreds of other inmates, it was found out that nearly 76 to 77 have tested positive, and including policemen and other jail officials, in all over 100 are believed to have tested positive. According to the government, they're trying to isolate most of these inmates to ensure that they're quarantined and that the infection does not spread. Now, as per official data available with us, the Arthur Road Jail can house up to 700 to 800 inmates, but the capacity of the jail itself is believed to be around 2,500 plus. So that is a concern. The Maharashtra government has also said that they plan to now ensure that 5,000 inmates from different jails, 6 to 7 different jails across the state, will be allowed to leave the jail premises because of the coronavirus outbreak. That's the latest update that we have.